Hey guys, welcome to another video on the channel. And like always, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to stay posted for future videos, and it'll really help me out. Hopefully, as this video gets put out, you can tell that I have better audio now because I finally got an attachment for the mic, so it's closer to my mouth and it sounds better. So yeah, hopefully for now the videos can have better quality and better audio, so you can actually understand and not ear rape your ears. So yeah, so before we start, I just want to make something clear. This is the last part of the three-part series about the indicators. These are the indicators I use, so that's what I know. Also, yeah, before we start, the indicators are indicators. They do what they state. They indicate things. They help you understand the graph. By any means, they do not generate profits or anything like that. You can use them and combine them to make your own strategy. So don't try and just understand indicators so you make money. Well, that's part of it, but. So we're gonna be talking about the MACD line. So what does MACD mean? So the MACD line definition, it says the moving average of convergence divergence. I don't know, it's a handful, but you have to know it. So pretty much there's a few parts of the MACD line. This is the MACD line right here. You can add it by clicking add data, clicking MACD, and then you have it. So I chose IVR as the example for today's video. So yeah, so pretty much there's two lines. I customized the lines right here. So the MACD line color is blue right here, and then the signal line color is yellow. And then so what happens is when the blue line, the MACD line, goes above the yellow line, it indicates a bullish trend right here. So you can see the IVR company has been doing pretty good, or the ETF or whatever, doing pretty good. And then you can see in the MACD line that it goes up above the yellow, and it shows this upward trend from 356 to 470 or whatever. So it's an increase. And then back here you can tell that when the blue line went below the yellow right here in this example, and went below and it lost value. And then yeah, so that's pretty much when the blue line goes above the yellow, it shows a bullish trend. When the yellow line goes above the blue line, or the blue line goes below the yellow, it indicates a bearish trend. So yeah, a downtrend or whatever. So these bars right here are the momentum bars. The blue bars indicate positive momentum. So right here you can see that we have really long bars. So you can see this increase all the way from down here. So from 355 we hit all the way up to 740, which is a big increase, and tells you because of the bars. The yellow bars indicate negative momentum. So the longer the yellow bars are, the more negative momentum they have, and the shorter they are, the less negative momentum, and so on. This is a quick example of the MACD line. My bad. Sorry, I got confused for a moment. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There's another example I would give. Another example would be UCO, which is you're betting that oil will go up. And so far, since they keep reopening states and travel's gonna be more accessible, I bought a few shares of this, and so far I made $14 off of it, so it's pretty nice. Full Chipotle meal. So we expand, we get a weekly, right? And you can see the momentum bars right here. Pretty much the MACD line helps you understand when the graph is gonna go down. So it tells you the momentum of the lines right here, and if you see that it hit a peak right here and then the blue line went down, you should probably exit off of your position so you don't lose any more money. So yeah, that's all you have to know. Also, remember to not only use one indicator, use various different indicators. For example, I use the MACD line, the RSI, and then the moving average, the SMA line. So yeah, that's pretty much, it's really important. I enjoy using both of these because that way I can see this is the normal color of the MACD line, so I change it. I use both of these because I want to get a good price, right? So I buy it when it's oversold. So when it's oversold, it goes down, and when it's overbought, it's up here. So yeah, I buy it down here. I look at the MACD line. I look if there's a bullish trend. I look at the SMA line for a good entry point and exit point, so I can get good prices and stuff like that. Hopefully, I'll make another video soon talking about Innova Pharmaceuticals and why I sold my shares and why I think it's not gonna do so well. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, Please leave a thumbs up, subscribe for future content, and stay posted. Yeah, take care. See you in the next one.